Welcome to this video on installing, setting up, and configuring DRTE knowledge articles. First, verify that the DRTE knowledge article package by CodeyLabs is successfully installed and active in your org. It should be listed alongside your core DRTE package. Next, create the public-facing portal where these articles will live. Navigate to Digital Experiences, All Sites within Setup, and click the New button to start the Community Creation Wizard. Select the Build Your Own LWR template and ensure it is the enhanced version for high performance and modern flexibility. Then click Get Started. Give your digital experience site a name and set up its unique URL path. For example, name the site Help. Click Create to spin up the site. Once the workspace initializes, click on the Builder tile to open the Experience Builder interface for designing the page layout. In the Experience Builder, open the Settings panel by clicking the gear icon. Under the General tab, check the box for public access to allow guest users to interact without logging in. Click the Guest User Profile hyperlink to open the security settings for unauthenticated visitors. In the Profile settings, click on the Site Guest User configuration to prepare for permission set assignments. Navigate to Permission Set Assignments. Select DRTE Knowledge Article Guest User from the available list. Click Add and then Save. This grants necessary access to the public. Return to the Experience Builder canvas and open the Components drawer. Locate the Knowledge Base component under Custom Components and drag and drop it onto your page layout. With the Knowledge Base component added, the main setup in the builder is complete. Now click Publish to save and deploy the changes. Go back to the Experience Workspace dashboard and click Administration. Under the Settings menu tab, click the Activate button to officially turn on the public URL path. Visiting the public URL now will show an empty container with a No Published Articles Available message. This is expected as we need to configure our backend content categories and sharing rules. Go to Sharing Settings and create a Knowledge Article Sharing Rule. Set the criteria as status equals published. Share this with the Help Site Guest User Profile and set the access level to read only. This secures your content. Next, as a system administrator, you must configure the categories and product lines that organize your data tree. Navigate back to Salesforce Setup, open the Object Manager, and locate the two main custom objects deployed by the add-on, Knowledge Article and Knowledge Article Version. Click into the Knowledge Article object and select Fields and Relationships. Locate and click into the Section/Service/Product Name Pick List field. Scroll down to the Values Related list. Click the New button to append your company's actual product lines or business offerings. For this example, 3 new values were added: Claude, ChatGPT, and Gemini. These values will dictate the high-level folders visible on your public portal. Now, navigate to the Category Managed Pick List field definition on the same object to configure the secondary classification field.